Hello guys. What's up? Welcome to Computer Repair. I come back with another tech video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add Internet Download Manager extension in Google Chrome browser. It's very easy to do that. Just follow me and add Internet Download Manager extension in Google Chrome browser. Let's learn about that. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix integration of Internet Download Manager extension in Google Chrome browser. The problem isn't showing download button supposed to be shown in the corner. So let's try to fix this problem. Open Internet Download Manager. Then click on Download and go to Option. And check Google Chrome and also check Use Advanced Browser Integration. Then click on OK. Then go to your My Computer and open Local Disk. Then open Program Files x86 and then open Internet Download Manager. Here find idmsext.crx. Then simply drag and drop the file in Chrome browser extension page and install and repair it. That's it. Now it shows the download option. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Salim Khan. You are watching Computer Repair. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and appreciate it, just so the YouTube algorithm knows that you actually like this video. And if you've any question, feel free to post them in comment section below. Thank you.